Utie Oha Echi Ponkno. Needs FM.
Yes, for even in electoral commission, NDC for lobby a compare political parties in the and in an answer, and one of the ones of MPP, you call it lobbying. You are courting. A queer other person if I don't pay there's so many your far my jerry near daddy before you realize the person realizes you'll have courted him. You will be dear friends at petrolly, any apparent self disclosure no ejina pen. You go jina the phone you any and be na bonsam edico edi tromono. Some bonsam kon wodane ne ho bonsam anka how abetiem. Odane ne ho wo and walk and already a baby and then credit Yamiaka, then the ban also no patronizing. So it is in politics and in security. Obin me say, take for no, Obia with Tibiano, Papa no attorney in security. This will be a big security aspect. What the big bango could just ask them to swear. Any panan casa do again in the
okay. But what fire, young share security and morality and now come once. Say Omayimono Bibia Nua Echere Ebia Okoji Obi Gela say Yaduku Jina court na Mrani Widi.
Okay.
But police adwuma for instance, eno na minimum metimaka mu ase. Meka say nkoko police ni bi ekokoji Obi ge. Emma echere se mranti ne baba na waje ne ga no kwa omudi police ni fa so no ma echere se ensem ni mu ba be ye the job. At the end of the day, police command na was a jurisdiction no no acute police in na so say wakwakutu anamon bia morally amwa eye police adwuma no awamo won hihye wo hɔ a wo mo de twen na so eti ya blending morality and security said na wo kana eye adwuma wo
meba police ni di kan kra no e police ni benya police so mo divisions mebre wo ye wo MTT di fo ana mebo ana Neboa, the nana na me no ye Kenya branti ya kumasi okọ patase so okope police edi. Okọ eno ma gejira kiu num na ja ye hwe ne ma okodu ana okobusa commander ni say. E pa cho hefa na MTT fo no. On say wo adwina wo di ba police no no bo ana. Ye wo MTT fo. Ene ye wo CID fo. Omo various ba yi ho no. Wa. Ena me cho say CID fo no in particular no. E kwanyo omo fa so e di information. You do that dam. Obetimi akofa girlfriend. From so a woman is a nipa na ni daso. As a say na meye. No one nim say nipa na ware. Eno de obi si kwan. In any case, here argument okay, analogy ade bai no. Anyway, we si kwan. Ewra no meka nche say o will be kun. O you be yire. Eno de tosun ji so you be kwan so meka say me ka kire minister ne say obi you be yire. Eno chinchina wo so wona me ebe yisi. Eno no nti e ma wo de no. It doesn't sustain. They are tossing you, and some are yakano. One more ready and say, borders on security. And I'm so one chama dear no essa. Now, the Ancasana who to be watch this year to the soul. Mark and Patrick, and Nick and what you have here.
Okay.
And in Tisiakana, who can be, and I say, Jambum, it may can be near the Asadia, make me Tiasia in the year. And I'm telling you, say, may be a company, the Adventist. And into the Biana, a best say, or man put through. And now you couldn't be another say you should me. I will never come out there to defend. Never my dear will say na yekano. Also a public figure. You are admitted. When your national security to the media and never a course since time memorial, free bra, Quasibruni pencil D and so Emma Yanya far with your Kwame Nkrumah pencil, every room where more far rolling a pencil with his Sabrino. Say never accord national security. And you see a publishing. And I had the Babon Tia, Minia, and Comano, in Kijababum. And then people are no more budget. What is a national security? One more budget, said the Akijada, Mibusao. Mira, Mibusao.
Now, what I would do to you?
Mibusao, what is a national security? Don't budget at Kijada.
Open the Albihumum.
National security budget.
I
stand to be corrected. One of the few here, and the man may be no, more because on my bumbo, and the man may be all my men is that Yammo from the trigger, any other day. And to any day, Sabi, take for a day, Yatibi, a man for Swahibi. Now, Yam will say, you pass into near pan, a woman. Nadia pass so soon a ransom or a susipe.
Okay, Wafana obi bekasa ade we efa mo ho ni nti na ma okasa yesi ade kokopie baabi anka se ya na beka no ana
me da sipi menua on se ba aban mu no me kasa ni me bebre wo ho no mo a asesa na no kura even ye wo opposition no obetimi abo me tape ni bebre me yes somebody I don't compromise on things easily. Me kasa President Mama the former president Emra ye ba aban mu no era o meki a statement bi na very funny o say amanfo ko obi nim honom o ka me repeat statement yan krofo ni bi take issue ni serious am so enti anomali e wonsu onsre da bi anomali e wonsu enti ya bese ti oba ni jakodum penso da ben say ye NDC ni ti menyire me ho ana menka say ye MPP ni ti ade ni nye enti mi independent da bi da enchirmenti ene ya no onyam nti no say ye NDC ni na sade no eya yenka say ye MPP ni na de na ya yenka say ye NDC o na MPP na ya yenka because at the end of it all no the ultimate image of the country I know the best offer so you can trap partisan level near ko ye me say a MPP and NDC here so my name when I'm say ya NDC plan never tomorrow and that MPP ni amesi yes and trust in you kra no o my name when I'm say ye no ye no when I'm no ya to papa so e no na nchirima ye ba ye kasa politically no edu baby you should think beyond certain age. Okay. Open say about Bamu, and you may bring back one name you be a Koswa Enya. When was the last time I met a member of Akatasm? I will never defend the indefensible. Never may be odd one, Yania Casano, a self inflicted. Never may be odd one, Yania Casano, he has certain negative agenda. No, after Adamaku, Peter may a Spain doctor to be defended. I will never defend that. Because Dr. Dankwanom, Dr. Buzi Anom, what I say, Professor Dubois, you know, do sides on and penning some of the parties you also know. They built the party on integrity. It in no way say no. That's not to say young and Efan Kutumpusimu. Our party is rooted for honesty and integrity. Nemo Masimo ya better already. Sabi. In the year past, I didn't be in prison. I was acceptable. Sabi, there's nothing fishy about the whole thing.
Okay. What for you don't go and not pay your dance?
Onyamu Isramo.
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no Needs FM.